Alam niyo guys, what made this trip extra special is because of the hotel kung saan kami nagstay. Nasa residential area, so tahimik and peaceful ang neighborhood, maraming cafes, restos, and spa sa paligid. Walking distance lang din sa Old Town and malapit pa sa Anbang Beach. Dito kami nagstay sa Hoi Anise Old Town Boutique Hotel in Hoi An. My best friend booked this via booking.com. Look guys, ang ganda and linis ng hotel. Ang ganda ng interior, super bait and helpful pa ng staff nila. Hi Alan and Emma! So, binook namin yung deluxe double room nila with balcony. Oh my God, ang sarap ng king-size bed na yan, I swear. Merong side tables and sockets each side. Meron ding spacious cabinet and also may vanity area din na malaki ang table. May kettle, complimentary coffee and tea, and there's also a mini ref with water. May pa-bathtub ang CR and dyan na din ang shower area. May toilet with bidet, may sink with blower and free toiletries, and also may full-size mirror din. And syempre, here's the best part, ang balcony na may magandang view. And guys, alam nyo ba, tinulungan din nila kami mag-arrange ang walking tour namin around Hoi An Old Town for free. So if first time nyo rin pupunta ng Hoi An, we highly recommend this boutique hotel. Maganda na, pasok pa sa budget. Thank you for watching!